Hello, Northwest Builders and Renovation. My name is Hannah, and I work with Dreamweaver Designs, and I'm making this video today to show you a few tips and tricks to help you start ranking above your competitors and get some more traffic online. So, to start out with, I had pulled up your website, and the first thing I noticed is that your website is not secure. And this is kind of a big deal in Google's eyes. You want to make sure that you're secure so that everybody's information on here is safe. And luckily, it's only a $96 to $99 a year fix, so it's fairly cheap. So I would definitely recommend doing that. And I like your website. It's put together very organized, and your information on here is clear. I like the layout, but I'm noticing that none of your photos are showing up at all. And I also noticed that there's not a lot of content on here. So Google loves content. They go crazy for it. Google likes to see anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words on a homepage, and 650 words on each service page. So by adding just some content on your services and what you do would definitely help you rank higher. And when we say add content, not just like any old set of gibberish words, right? We want to make sure that it's keyword rich content. And by that I mean services of yours or things that people might possibly search when looking for your business. I pulled up your competitors. They're at the top of the Google My Business list right now, and their website is alright. I mean, they have a little bit of content and some photos and whatnot, but in reality, they really aren't too much better than you. They have maybe a little more content, and so honestly, I think beating them is very realistic, and it wouldn't be too hard if we just revamp your homepage a little bit, you know. But getting into the keywords, this is a tool I like to use called Ahrefs, and it can show me all the keywords that you're ranking for right now. So it says you have 174 keywords. And on here I'm seeing like North Builders Northwest. That's a good one. You see there's 250 people a month searching that, and you're ranked number 3 in position for that. So that's good. We might want to try ranking up on that one to get more of those traffic to your website. But a lot of these keywords I'm not seeing very much search volume, right? So what we can do is we can go, I pulled up the competitors, and they have 80, but the keywords that they're ranking for are a lot higher in volume searched. So Portland Roofing Company, they're a lot more general service based. Roofing Companies Portland, you know, if we put these on your site and then rank those up, we could be adding, you know, even just half of those would be a whole lot of traffic in your website, and those could turn to potential leads. So just taking their keywords and seeing what they're using, you know, and adding that to your homepage is definitely something that you can do to help you start ranking. Another thing I wanted to go over was backlinks. So backlinks are pretty much just when one website is referring back to yours. And not all backlinks are created equally. So it's going to help if you have relative websites relating back to yours. like say another roofing company if you guys did a project together, or even in a directory, online. It's not going to really help if you have, say, Pizza Hut relating back to you for a backlink, because you guys really aren't in the same category. But so all we got to do is we got to pull up your competitors and see which backlinks they have compared to the backlinks you have, and see which ones they're getting points for. And all we got to do is take those backlinks and add them to your website as well, so that you are ahead of them. So you can see we're going to change this link type to do follow, because those are the ones that are ranking with Google. We just take all these right here and add these to yours, and that is another quick way to rank above them. And if you notice, I think they have less backlinks than you. Yeah, and that just goes to show the power of backlinks and how powerful some are compared to others, One more thing I wanted to go over with you was the Google My Business. So when I Googled just something really generic, roofing company Portland, I didn't see you at all on the first 3 pages, which you won't be able to rank here on the Google My Business until you're organically ranking down here on at least the first or second page. And how you do that is by doing the keywords and the backlinks, what I was just talking about. But up here, if you notice the Google My Business, when they pull up their business card, it has their name, their address, and their phone number. And that's what we call NAPs, or also a citation. And to get ranked here, as well as ranking down below organically, you want to make sure that you have your NAPs put in as many directories across the internet as possible. So if you Googled any type of, I like to use Whitespark. If you went to Whitespark and typed in roofing, Portland Roofing Company, and seen where they were having their citations, you could put your citations in all of those directories as well. And that would get you ranking up here alongside them. So that's just a few tips and tricks for you today. Feel free to implement them at your own discretion. If you like this video, please shoot me a message so we can chat. Either way, I would love to hear your feedback and your thoughts on this video. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a good day.